Hello everyone and welcome to Crazy Town. I am your Mayor, Minister Danielle K. Anderson, and here we talk about spirituality, self-improvement, and stuff I like. In this video we are completing the number cards in our study of Cartomancy with the 10 of Spades. In this system I call the 10 of Spades the Mourner. And this is one of grief and is considered to be one of the unluckiest cards in the deck. When you see this card in a reading, you can be sure of some unfortunate news, imminent change, and fear associated with that. When coupled with certain other cards, it most definitely representative of physical death, funeral gathering, and even specifically murder. We can cover certain card configurations later and how you interpret them in another video, but that's all right now for the 10 of Spades. I hope the information is helpful to you. If so, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and feel free as always to leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. The next video in this series will be on the Jokers, and we will have completed the deck, but not to worry, there is so much more on Cartomancy to come, and other things like book reviews, spell work, Q&As, and even live readings. I am really looking forward to what's next for the channel. I hope you are too. Make sure to follow me on all the social medias, and if you would like a reading done by me, you can text me if you're in the United States or visit my website. Information for all of that is down below in the description. Now, if you're brand new to Crazy Town, welcome again. You can become a citizen by subscribing and turning on notifications so you can know when the next video comes out. And in the meantime, you can get caught up on this entire series by clicking right here. And for something else you might like, go ahead and click here. Until the next time, I'll see you in the cards.